Mentakasngi la penipat ba ya kilai teli kikop jangka Durand Cup ha State Convention Center, syua ban sedang kani kajing ilakai kenjat bol, kabala rim tam ha Asia, bat menta kala kenjo syakasispa live san senam, nadu bala sedang yaka, bat kani kadi kasian kebalai bala penyilakai ha kanong ba Shillong. Habakran ha kani kajing yalang ban pediang burom ya kilai teli kikop, mentri ilakai ka jylla uba Wailadmiki, Shillong, ula Kyntu yikibor ba peniak ya ke Durand Cup aracar arfenriu, bala dalong kabala, ba ya ka phainal kin pynlong ha kanong ba Shillong. Ya kani kajing ilakai la kershan da kasorkar Meghalaya ha kajing toilang bat ka kunhun sipai Assam Rifle. Mentri ula ong ba ka jylla kan sapediang yaka live khandai National Games hau arjar arfenyo bat nakal yang kasorkar kala shim ya baro kilat kelinti ban penbha ya kajaka ya ilakai bat khamtam ha kajing ilakai kenjat bol. Namar kasorkar ka kwa ban pelong ya ka Meghalaya kum ka pedeng ha kajing ilakai kenjat bol. Ha kani kasngi mentri ka trat ya ilakai ula kran ru ya kajing shimkhia kasorkar ban kentiu ya ki kam ya ilakai ha ka balashna ya ka stadium ha Shillong hatura ampati bat kiwe kicaka namar kajing ilakai kenjat bol kalong ha baro kishnong ha ka jylla. Ha kajing kran Lieutenant General Mohit Wadwa GOC ke area Iway North Iway Shillong ula ong babaro ki kunhun ya ilakai ha kani ka Durand Cup aracar arun rio kidon arf southly ki kunhun na Meghalaya ki bayo ban ya ilakai ka Shillong Lajong Football Club ka Langsning Football Club bat kanong se Sport and Cultural Club. Kajing ilakai ha Meghalaya kinlong pratli kan kentup kawai ka quarter final bat kawai ka semi final ha kani kasngi. Ladon langru kiwe ki he sipai u Air Marshal u Devendra P Hirani Senior Air Staff Officer ka Eastern Air Command Shillong kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS DGP Meghalaya Police Major General u DK Singh SMVSM GOC Bengal Sub Area but Vice Chairman DCOC kong Isa Wanda Lalu IAS Secretary Department of Sports and Youth Affairs kabakran pediang burom ha kani kajing yalang.
It is a matter of immense pride and honor for Meghalaya to host the launch of the trophy tour of the 135th edition of the Durand Cup, the oldest football tournament in Asia and one of the most prestigious football competition in the world. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Indian Armed Forces and the Durand Cup Organizing Committee for their continued trust and confidence in Meghalaya. This is the third consecutive year that our state has been entrusted with hosting the Durand Cup. That itself is a strong testimony to the Meghalaya proven ability to organize sporting event of the highest standard. Football is not a game in Meghalaya. It is a part of our identity. It is played in every village, every school, every town and every district. It unites communities, inspire our youth and bring immense pride to our state. This year, Meghalaya will proudly host the Durand Cup from 31st July to the 20th of August 2026. With 8 exciting matches, including 6 league matches, 1 quarterfinals and 1 semi-finals right here in Shillong. But no doubt, I think like everyone, including me, I think I will take this opportunity to request. No doubt we are very grateful to the armed forces for giving us this opportunity, but definitely we are looking forward to host the finals also in Shillong. So I will take this opportunity to urge that if possible this year, if not in the coming years, we definitely would like to host the final right here in Shillong. We are delighted that our own club, Shillong Lajong FC, Nongse Sport Club and Cultural Club and Langsning Football Club will represent the footballing spirit of Meghalaya on this prestigious stage alongside top clubs from across the country. The government of Meghalaya, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sports one of the key pillars of our development agenda. We firmly believe that investment in sport is an investment in our youth, our health, our economy, and our future. Today, Meghalaya hosts more than 35,000 participants in state sporting event every year, and since 2022, we have successfully organized over 14 national and international sporting events. Our growing reputation as a preferred destination for sport tourism is no coincidence. It is the result of careful planning, sustained investment, and strong partnership. One of our proudest initiatives is the Chief Minister Football Mission, through which 125 grassroots football centers are nurturing more than 10,000 young footballers, including over 2,400 girls. The mission is creating pathway for young talent, including the footballer continue that to make us proud. The mission is creating the strengthening club, coaches, competition, and football infrastructure across the state.